Hi everyone, welcome to the class notebook tutorial with me, Mr. Brown. I'm going to help you today understand how to use and how to operate class notebook to the best of its ability. So today, let's have a look. I've been assigned to the class 6P and I've come to my welcome page. This is the page that you'll come to every time that you log in to your class notebook. I'm going to come over here and I'll find my name over here to the left, and this is where I'll find all tasks and pages that have been assigned to me to complete. So let's start by clicking my name. Over here I can see that I have a section called A Message from Miss Gannon, English, Maths and Practice Activity. These are called sections. In these sections you'll find pages of work that have been assigned to you to be completed. Today we're going to have a look at the practice activity. Some of you might find that your practice activity is actually a message from your teacher. So don't stress if you can't see that extra tab here. Today we're going to click on Practice Activity. That will take me to the Practice Activity section. In the Practice Activity section, I can see I have a page called Notebook Practice. In the Notebook Practice page here, I have a series of tasks that I need to complete. I'm going to show you how we can complete all of these together. So first of all, we're going to look at the first task to complete. Type your name in a text box. So I'm going to come up here to my draw function, and I'm going to select the Select Objects or Type Text function, which is this icon here with a mouse pointer and an A for a text box. And I can click anywhere on the page and type my name. Now that I've selected my name, I can click back in at any time and it will create this box around your writing. You can see here that it has a little heading bar. When you hover over that, it changes your mouse into a 4-pointed arrow. If I left click with that icon selected, I can drag my text to anywhere on the page that I need it to go. It can go up, down, right, left, wherever it needs to go. Fantastic, I've completed the first task, but that text looks a little bit small and I don't like it just being black. So I'm going to highlight that text. I'm going to go to the Home function and I can change the text font, the size, and even the color. Now that I've completed that, I can tick that off as being complete. These are to-do boxes, which I can click in and will become marked as complete. So now let's have a look at our Draw a Picture on the page underneath your name. So I'm going to go back to the Draw function, select the pen, and I can choose which color pen I would like to use. I don't like any of those colors, so I'm going to select ink color, and I can choose any of these colors as well. I feel like a pink mood today, so I'm going to select pink. And I can draw a picture underneath my name as the request was made. And if I needed to, I can go back up and change the color. As many times as I need to. Now I might identify that I've made a mistake by making my face green, so I might come up to my eraser and I can erase any mistakes that I've made. Then change back over to the pen, choose the color I needed, and correct my illustration. As you can see, I'm no art teacher, but I'm just showing you the functions within our OneNote today. So now that I've completed that task, I'm going to change back over to my select objects and tick that I've completed that task. Now I need to insert a picture of something that makes me happy. I love watching The Lion King with my son at home, so today I'm going to insert a picture of The Lion King. Earlier, I downloaded a picture and saved it in my picture folder. So I'm going to come up to the Insert, Picture, From File. That means the file of the picture is on my computer already. If I wanted to take a photo, I could do that from the camera option. Or if the picture is online, I could go to the online feature. Today, I'm going from file. Here, I need to select which picture I need to use. So I'm going to click Choose File. And here you can see my picture of the Lion King. And I'm going to open that picture. Here now, you'll be able to see Lion King. And now I can insert, and my picture will appear. Just like before, I can select the top header bar here with that arrows pointing, left click, and move that picture anywhere around the page I need to. So I've completed that. I'm going to go back and click Insert a Picture, tick that off as complete. Record your voice. So to do that, I need to go to the Insert tab again, and I need to click on the audio function. I would click on that audio function. As soon as I click on audio, it's going to record my voice straight away. So always remember to have an idea of what you would like to say before you click that button. I'm not going to be able to do that today because I'm recording my voice for this video. But if you need further assistance with that, email your teacher for some help. I need to now highlight the words in bold in these instructions. So I'm going to come over here now to my draw tool, select my highlighter, change the color to whatever color I would like. Today I'm going to go with light green. And I can use this cursor now, which is a little dot, to highlight any of the words that are in bold in these instructions. By left clicking and dragging across the words. Now that I've completed that, I'm going to go back to my select objects or text type and click complete. Now this time I'm going to create a math problem using the math tool. So I'm going to find some blank space here on my page, and I'm going to use my pen. I'm going to draw a math problem. So we're going to go something easy today of 2 plus 2 equals 4. And if I was trying to write that onto a math sheet that is attached under my maths, that could get a little bit messy. But if I come up here and use my marquee select, I can select my equation, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and click on the Math tab. Making sure that you highlight every bit of that equation or it won't work. OneNote is now having a think, and it's checking with me that did I mean 2 plus 2 equals 4? And if I was correct, I would click Ink to Math, which has now changed that into an equation that I can move around the page that I need to. So once again, I'm going to select my select objects and type text and click complete. I can close this off now because I don't need that anymore. And now I can see that I've completed most things on my practice page, which is great. But what I would also like to do now is practice how do I open this within the OneNote app. You can do that by clicking on Open in App, which is here at the top of the page. I can click on Open in App, and it will ask me if it would like me to open the page in OneNote 2016. That's the OneNote version that's installed on my computer here. However, yours might come up with another name or even ask you to download the app. Please check with your parents before you download anything. Today I'm going to click on Open OneNote 2016.